Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to enable the call announcement on your Android device, in today's video we are going to guide you through the methods for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can start by opening up the phone app for that. And then once you open up your phone app, you can look out for the three dot in the top and tap on it and select up the settings option from here. Now, once you tap on the settings option, what you may do is you can look out for the option called answering and ending calls. So head over and tap on it. And you can easily find an option called read caller names aloud. So you just need to find this option right here. The settings may vary. You just need to search for it. And once you find it up, you can just go over and turn this option on. And we have this option. You can tap on it. And you can select this option of always or only over Bluetooth and headphones, and you can select it up. Once you have selected that will enable the call announcement on your Android very easily. So you can just go over and follow this process for that. So this is how you do it. It is one of the most easier process you can follow up to enable that feature. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.